Hello and welcome to this video, and in this video I'll be explaining to you how to add a custom character to your Roblox Studio game. Alright, I've entered my place now, and now I will paste my starter character. I've got a little SpongeBob character right here. Make sure it has a humanoid and all the needed parts like torso, right leg, etc. like a normal dummy, alright? Now, make sure to rename it. Rename it to starter character. And now drag it to starter player. And you're ready to go. As you can see, this works. This is pretty easy and there's not much scripting knowledge to be known here. That was it for this video. If you liked it, I'd appreciate if you liked the video and maybe leave a sub. See ya.